Hey guys, another day, another Christmas countdown. Yesterday I opened this up. I didn't show it though because I don't know why. Look how cute they are though. And today is number 6. Oh, I love those. Look how cute those are. Maybe literally nothing has been working on this. Oh, they're adorable. I'm so excited about those. I don't know if the boys have opened theirs up yet. I want to look at Gage's number 6. Did he open up anything today? Who says this? Well, maybe he did. Don't know. We'll go look at the elf. How cute that is. Yesterday Winston and Layla left chocolate for him, so there's the chocolate. This says, Winston and Layla, thanks for the note and candy. Keep being good boys and girls, and I'll bring you a surprise tonight. What'd you get today?
My little pony.
You got your little pony? Show us. She already saw them because I didn't know what handout she opened up. I just woke up. It's also 11:47. I don't know how I just woke up. I woke up at 8:30. Back. I didn't think I was gonna be able to go back to sleep, but I did until 11. So yeah, a little ahead of Christmas this year. I just finished wrapping everyone's presents, and my goal this year is to be the first one under the Christmas tree. Ta-da! So those are Winston and Layla's. That's my dad's. That little one right there's my dad's, and then that's my grandma's, my mom's, and then Gage's. My mom has one more present that I haven't put under there yet because I'm finishing it, but that's the first one under the Christmas tree. Also, now I'm covered in snow.
After the base of my little birdhouse gingerbread house, was dry, I just added this puffy paint, and I could only find this over in the fabric paint, but it worked really good. It's all dry and looks so cute. So now I'm just gonna finish decorating this one, add snow to this one, and then Layla's gonna come up and add some snow to hers because they're all completely dry. I just ran up the stairs and I'm always so winded after I do that. The other kids haven't painted their birdhouses yet, which is okay. We haven't really had time, and I still need to go and buy a couple more. So hopefully we'll do that this week. I haven't really felt like vlogging. I've had a few different things that I needed to get done that were just taking such a long time and frustrating me and made me busy with things that I was not accomplishing, and so I didn't vlog very much. So I'm going to show you a project that I worked on in the kitchen just under my sink. I mentioned that the other day. I really like how it turned out. I used and I'll talk about them more. I used backsplash tile that is like the peel and stick that I got from Amazon, and I loved it for the bottom of the cabinet because it has kind of like a sticky, not sticky, but like a grip to it. So when you put something in its place, it's not like slipping and sliding around. And I really like that, but I'm happy with how it all turned out. And I've been excited to show you guys because I filmed this, well, I think right before Thanksgiving. So it's been a little while and I've been excited to show you. Here is that project. I have a few more projects that we've been working on. We cleaned the garage this weekend. I actually was just out there mopping the floor because it's so dirty and I need to mop it again because it is real bad. Braylee helped me and we got the house cleaned, and now I just want to get it like organized and make sure everything has its place. Well, we're kind of ahead. That never happens with cleaning, so hopefully we'll be doing that. But then I realized how soon Christmas is. Have a clue what I'm getting Casey for Christmas. So if you guys have any good ideas, leave them down in the comments because I feel clueless this year. Usually I have somewhat of an idea, I just don't. So anyways, if you have any ideas, let me know. All right, my night project tonight, I'm using these backsplash tile things that I got from Amazon. I was going to, and I might still, don't mind this, it's dirty, line everything in my drawers with these, but what really needs to happen, you can see that like water spills through here. It's like so terrible. I need to do something about this, but this is what my sink looks like underneath. So I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna put the backsplash tile things down, and then I also got a drawer. So I'm gonna take care of this situation. It's bad.
Close your eyes, get some rest.
These are good. Always done down. We're unplugging don't have enough, so I'm just going to start at the front and work my way back, and then I'll order more for that back strip back there. But I have another pack, so we should be good to like here-ish. Maybe farther, we'll see. But I'm just gonna start by doing this. Yeah, dang. I thought I had so much, and then I was like, oh no, I don't. But first I'm going to trim these so that they fit and they lay flat. Okay, this is what it looked. Who is it? From me a lemon bar. That was so nice. Okay. No, it's for me and me only. Okay, this is what it looks like now. So much better. I did put like some of the extra bottles in storage in the laundry room.
It goes blue, yellow, green. Exactly. Blue.
Yeah, good job.
There's 2 blues at the end.
Well, there's these 2 blues are the same. So I need to label them. Anyways, I put some in storage because we had so many extra, and then put some in each of the bathrooms. But I do really love these bottles, and I just got these from Grove. But
This
they're so
one's my favorite
pretty.
one.
That one's your favorite?
Yeah.
And then we have some other cleaner that is concentrate, so we can refill them.
You have a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, this is for fruits and vegetables. This is to clean my sink, some lotion, and I just try to keep it kind of like minimum under here. And then everything else is in my laundry room, which is my next project, to get that all organized and sorted and cleaned up and feeling so much better like this. Finally getting things organized around here.